Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. And today I'm going to show you, well, first of all, so I just got those two movies from the animated film, UglyDolls, and the Sonic the Hedgehog movie. So, I already got this when I just got this from my birthday. I got this from the post office, and I always tell you guys something important since you like this movie. Well, guys, sometime I tell you, well, sometime that I watched it and tell you guys. So let's get on limit. So this is the UglyDolls Blu-Ray Sing-Along Edition, and I'm gonna ask you something for you. So this is the movie that I always loved at, since I watched it in my bedroom with the lights out. Tell you. So I'll show you the set, the spine, and on the back it says winsomely appealing. Well, they didn't add the sneak peeks, so I'm gonna open this up. So it says includes with purchase, and there's the DVD and the Blu-ray. So, yeah. So this is UglyDolls, and also the actor Nick Jonas is in the cast of the movie. Kelly Clarkson, Pitbull, Blake Shelton are in the movie. So I always say that the movie was a musical and extremely cool. So guys, so next up is Sonic the Hedgehog. Since I just love the game and I play it on the Sega Genesis, it includes every deleted scenes, bloopers, Sonic Next Adventure, building Robotnik with Jim Carrey, and more. So I'll show you the spine. And the back it says, the world needed a hero. We got a hedgehog powered with incredible speed. Sonic the Hedgehog, aka the Blue Blur, embraces his new home on Earth. That is until he accidentally knocks out the power grid and sparks the attention of super uncool evil genius Dr. Robotnik. Now it's super villain versus Super Sonic in an all-out race across the globe to stop to stop Robotnik from using Sonic's power for world. Save the planet, world domination. Sonic teams up with the Donut Lord, aka Sheriff Tom Wachowski, to save the planet in this action-packed adventure. That's fun for the whole family. Includes deleted scenes, bloopers, and everything. Now I'm gonna open this up. So it has the... Oops, it fell. It's the disc and the Blu-ray? Yeah. I love those. Yeah. So yeah. Fell. Guys, it fell. Well, let's continue. Yeah. After all, guys, those are the awesomest movies ever. So, I really love those two when I liked it. Well, guys, stay tuned for more videos. tell you about the reviews of Ugly Dolls and Sonic the Hedgehog. Stay tuned for more videos coming up this afternoon. See you next time.